Recording in progress.
Hi, friends. Now, we are going to create a similar form. Okay. So now what we are trying to do is there is a employee form where we can add employee details. In addition to the employee details, we want to maintain the status of the employee. Okay. So that is a purpose we created this particular form. Now we are going to see how to create this form. Okay. For example, you want to give some details, right? Then address, mobile number, then email. Okay, so I given the details. Now status working on project A on a specific date and completed. I mean, not completed, so it's still working on. Now you can add more status. Completed project A on date. Like this, you can add any number of rows. So we call this as a dynamic grid or dynamic table control. How to add such a dynamic table in your existing form? That's what we are going to do. For that, we have three stages that I'll show you. Yes. So in your training material, chapter 14, serial number 17, you could have, you will see three kind of part one, create an API with the parent-child relation. That's what we are going to see in this video. And the remaining two will be followed by the next videos. Okay. Okay. So let me go into the edit table. Now I'm currently in the employee table. Now, actually, initially we created the employee table as single table. Now I convert it to one-to-many. Okay. Once you convert to one-to-many, you would able to select the table name here. So there are two tables. Apart from the employee table, we have other two. One is employee department and the employee status. Now we are trying to create the employee status as a child for the employee table. That's the purpose. And you need to give index 0. So tomorrow you need to add one more child table. If you're planning to put one more grid, also possible. Then that index will be 1. Like for example, if I want to bring department also into this one, then the index would be 1. But obviously we are not going to do that now. So I'll delete that. Okay. So that's about. Say employee status is 0. Fine. So that is what we need to. And the employee status is nothing but another table that we have created, that you are familiar with that. You already know that. So employee status is just a table. Okay. And that table has to be single table only. So that won't be specified as one-to-many. The parent should be one-to-many and daughters or child should be single table. Okay. Right. That's how the things work. So that you should be able to define first. That is part one. If you define this one, then taking forward to the next level will be very simple. Okay. So with that, this video is over. We will see you in the part 2.